Exotic Egypt. Egypt is Africa's cultural treasure. Its history stems back to ancient times and amazing historic buildings still survive. The Nile Valley, once home to the world's most advanced civilization, cuts a lush, fertile ribbon through barren landscape. Wealthy culture. Egyptians are a diverse group of people with a rich culture that connects all of them together. The modern Egyptian culture is complex and changing continuously as Egypt, like other Middle East countries, is interacting more and more with both the United States and the rest of the world. Egypt is undoubtedly a crossroads of many cultures which it owes partly to its location in between Europe, Africa and Asia. Western Desert. The Western Desert covers an area of some 7 lakh kilometers square, thereby accounting for around two-thirds of Egypt's total land area. This immense desert, to the west of the Nile, spans the area from the Mediterranean Sea southwards to the Sudanese border. The government has considered the Western Desert a frontier region and has divided it into two governorates at about the 28th parallel, Metru to the north and New Valley to the south. Eastern Desert. The Eastern Desert is the section of Sahara Desert, east of the Nile River, between the river and the Red Sea. It extends from Egypt in the north to Eritrea in the south, and also comprises parts of Sudan and Ethiopia. The Eastern Desert is a popular setting for safaris and other excursions. Nile Delta. The Nile Delta is the delta formed in northern Egypt where the Nile River spreads out and drains into the Mediterranean Sea. It is one of the world's largest river delta, from Alexandria in the west to Port in the east. It covers 240 kilometers of Mediterranean coastline and is a rich agricultural region. From north to south, the delta is approximately 160 kilometers in length. Islam in Egypt. The Republic of Egypt has recognized Islam as the state of religion since 1980. Egypt is predominantly Muslim, with around 80 million Muslims, comprising 94.7% of the population as of is a minority religion in Egypt. Egyptian Christians account for between 5% to 20% of the population. The history of Christianity in Egypt dates to the Roman era. Alexandria was an early center. Abu Simbel Festival celebrates the combination of human endeavor and natural phenomena, which provides one of the most spectacular sights in the world. Of the several buildings King Ramses II built, Abu Simbel is considered the most impressive. During the Abu Simbel festival, crowd fills the temple at sunrise to watch the shafts of light creeping across the stone. The first thing that comes into notice is the facade of the temple with four 108 feet high colossal statues of Ramses guarding the entrance way. After the spectacle, the crowd join in celebrations. This festival features plenty of entertaining camel racing, over several days where the people observe how fast these amazing creatures are during one of the most amazing festival of Egypt. The annual South Sinai event takes place during January. This unique event takes place around South Sinai, close to the St. Catherine Monastery. Another location for camel racing include the resort of Sharm el-Sheikh. Orthodox Christians annually celebrate Christmas Day on or near January 7th to remember Jesus Christ's birthday. This date works to the Julian calendar that predates the Gregorian calendar, which is commonly observed. Laylat-e-Nuqta is an important festival of people. It holds special importance throughout the country. According to traditional Egyptian calendar and Coptic calendar, Laylat-e-Nuqta festival is celebrated on 17th June every year with tremendous belief and faith.
Yeah.
Metropolitan area is the 16th largest in the world. Cairo has the oldest and largest film and music industries in the Arab world. Cairo's metro is one of the only two metros of the African continent. The economy of Cairo was ranked first in the Middle East and 43rd globally by Foreign Policy's 2010 Global Cities Index. Giza is the third largest city in Egypt. It is located on the west bank of the Nile, some 20 kilometers southwards of central Cairo. The city of Giza is the capital of Giza Governorate. Area is the second largest city and the second largest metropolitan area after the Great Cairo. It is an important industrial center because of its natural gas and oil pipelines. From the late 19th century, Alexandria became a major center of the international shipping industry